So hello guys, welcome back to the channel after a long time. Recently I was thinking to purchase a new water purifier as the last one I had broke down because it was made of plastic. I have bought a lot of water purifiers over the years and they do not seem to last well enough, and they are quite fragile in nature as most of them that we get in the market are made of plastic. So we should avoid plastic also. That is the reason we have a steel water purifier as most of the Indian homes do, and also buying the high end water purifiers in the markets. They are going to burn a hole in the pocket of the common man, and most of the people aren't interested to invest a huge sum for purifying the water which is provided free by nature. But still we need to purify water. As you know, there are many viruses and bacteria, especially waterborne, which can affect the health of you and your family members. So here I am discussing and unboxing a product which has been made by Niranjan Srinivas Karage, the waterman of India. He was shown in Brute India and some other shows for building the cheapest water purifier in the world, and here we are about to test. So I personally spoke with him and I ordered for a water purifier from him which could fit into my steel filter, because the normal candle ceramic filters that we use, they are not capable enough to remove they are very good, because it uses quite the technology from many years back, but still they are not capable enough to purify the water from the viruses and the chemicals that we see. So this one promises to be a bit better. It can also remove the chlorine water and stuff. So let's unbox the steel water purifier. Steel water purifier we already have in our homes. You have seen the one which uses the candle. There is a similar candle but made from Niranjan company, Nirnal. So let's see what it holds. First there's a kind of, it was couriered to me. Okay, this is from the courier receipt. It has come all the way from Bangalore, I guess. Karnataka, Belgaum, Khasbag, Belgaum. It's called Nirnal water purifier. Nicely it has been packed to avoid any kind of damage to the product. Let's open it more. So the product that we can see is the product that we can use in our steel water purifiers. If you want, you can purchase them from the link which I will have given below, their company link. It's not a paid promotion. This is the one, high flow gravity based filter. These steel water purifiers you can see in the market. You can get that, or you can buy it from Nirnal's link itself, Nirnal company's website itself. So it says on the pack, high flow gravity based filter, no need of any kind of electricity bill, advanced UF technology, ultra filtration technology, and this will be good for using with the city water that we get, tap water. Nirnal reduces dirt, odor, bacterial bacteria and germs from the water up to 0.1 to 1 nanometers. How to use? Before using, soak the filter in normal water for 5 to 10 minutes. Clean the filter before use and drain water 1 to 2 liters. Clean the filter before use by draining ample water. So it is about, we have to clean it and use it similar to the candle that we use, but this one filters up to 4000 liters of water, and there is no wastage of water, no electricity required, because it is based on gravity. What are the features? Nirnal uses hollow fiber membrane with pore size of 0.2 micron to filter water. It ensures no microorganisms such as bacteria and cysts pass through, thereby providing 100% microbe-free bacteria. Yes, which was not possible from the ceramic candle filters that we used. It's non-electric, chemical-free. Nirnal gravity filter works without electricity, okay, and it will also remove. It does not use any chlorine, bromine or iodine for filtration, making water safe and healthy. Design is good. This filter should be connected to a stainless steel storage tank or food grade plastic container also, it will work with. Okay, now let's just open it up and see our product inside, how it looks. It's a totally made in India product, Nirnal water purifier. I will have given you the details and contacts below. Yes, it is tested and certified and awarded under ISO Startup Karnataka, made in India, 3M Startup India, Confederation of Indian Industry, CII. Yes, you can see. So this is the product that we can see. Yeah, properly packed. Let's just open it up quickly. So this is the one. So you just put it and then you can screw it from below. Yes, put the screw on from the below, and there you can see some kind of filtration device out there. Yes, which will in turn filter the water. So this is the one. It uses UF membrane, made in India product. So in my next video I will be telling you in details how was the water, what was the quality of the water. Okay, so I'll be using it, and in a few days time I will let you know. So thank you viewers for watching, being with us. Please like the video if you found the information useful, and Jai Hind. Bye bye.